Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel. If you have ever faced a situation where your iPhone or iPad gets stuck, such as your iPhone is stuck on the Apple logo, stuck in recovery mode, stuck on the loading screen, or your iPhone is just frozen on the home screen. Don't worry, it's very normal for Apple device users. Then this software is designed exactly for that kind of problems. Let's understand what Tenorshare ReiBoot is, how it works, and why people use it. The process is very simple. First, install ReiBoot on your computer and then sign up or log in your email address. Connect your iPhone or iPad using USB cable and then choose what you want to do, like repair, recovery mode, or reset. Let the software do its work automatically. Just wait here patiently. So what is Tenorshare ReiBoot? Tenorshare ReiBoot is a system repair tool for Apple devices. It is installed on a Windows or Mac computer and is used to fix iOS system issues. Why do people need ReiBoot? Many iPhone users face problems like the phone is stuck on the Apple logo, the screen becomes black or frozen, the phone keeps restarting again and again, the device gets stuck in recovery mode, iTunes shows error during update or restore, the phone does not turn on after an update. That's where ReiBoot comes in an easier solution. Now let's talk about its main feature of this software, one-click recovery mode. One of the most popular features of ReiBoot is the one-click recovery mode. Normally, entering or exiting recovery mode requires processing multiple buttons and many users get confused. With ReiBoot, you can enter recovery mode with one click, you can exit recovery mode with one click, no technical knowledge is required. This feature is available for free, which makes ReiBoot very attractive. So if your phone is stuck or frozen, you can try standard repair first without worrying about losing data. This is one of the biggest reason people trust this software. ReiBoot can fix 150 plus iOS system problems. According to Tenorshare, ReiBoot can fix 150 plus iOS system problems. According to Tenorshare, ReiBoot can fix over 150 different iOS issues. This includes boot loops, update failures, restore error, iPhone stuck on loading screen, iPad not responding. All of this can be done without jailbreaking your device. Another useful feature is the ability to upgrade iOS and downgrade iOS. You can do this without using iTunes and without complex steps. This is helpful if your new iOS update causes problems and you want to back to a stable version. It's smooth, easy, and 100% official. If you are not satisfied with a new iOS version, no worries, you can downgrade back to previous version. But keep in mind, downgrading requires restoring your phone, so make sure to back up your data first. So if your Apple device is stuck, frozen, or not working properly, Tenorshare ReiBoot is definitely worth considering. So link is available in the video description, so must check it out. And that's it for today's video. I hope you will found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.